I was surprised in looking at his scrapbook that one of the first plays I saw and actively remember was the Dybbuk, in English, but the Dybbuk. And I can absolutely remember it and quote from it, and it turns out, looking at the date on the program, I was 2. I was 2 years old, and it was seeing that play that inspired me to want to be in the theater. I mean, not only am I able to visualize it and quote it, but I was waiting for Dad backstage and after the show, and it was between the costume racks, and you know, it's all this shtetl wear, and so they're in black wool, and after a show, it's, you know, all kind of dank and everything. And now that I know I was 2, I was really little, so I remember being like in this dark tunnel, and out on the stage was the ghost light, you know, the lamp that has a little cage over it. And the way it was, at the end of the tunnel, there was this light in the cage, and I could see the little dust motes, you know, how you see them dancing in the light. I get goosebumps still. And I just knew with the entirety of my being that this is where I was going to spend the rest of my life, in the place where dust danced in the light.